Anyway, give it to me. Snapper fish, and this is an ocean cod fish. Let's get down. What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. All the right dressings on top. My onions, my carrots, and my chayote. Oh, that's perfect. Wow. Let's get down. Yeah. All right. Take the first bite. Take the first bite of that. That's a snapper fish. So, I got my orange juice. Tropic splash. Fish is very spicy. So, I'm having the snapper fish. Fish and chips. When was the last time you had fish and chips? Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know when last you had fish and chips. Alright? Now, let's dig in. Here's some onions. Ooh. Oh yeah. So crunchy. Carrots. Chayote. Super spicy. So, I'm having fish and chips, but maybe it's not the fish and chips you are thinking of. I got you. You guys are thinking of a way different fish and chips. So guess what? I wanted fish and chips. There's no fish and chips around, but I know where to get my fish. I go to my Jamaican store and I get my fried fish. I wanted fish and chips. So look. Here's my chips. Not the fish and chips you're thinking about, but still chips. I don't care. All right. Take a bite. What do you do when you can't find the food you want? You purchase different foods and you combine them and you make boom, magic. All right. So this is my fish and chips. Again, it's not the traditional fish and chips, but you don't know. Your boy is doing it. That's how we roll. Yeah. Fish and chips. So, take a first bite. Some nice ocean caught fresh snapper fish. Darn delicious. So usually I like to have fish and I use my hands because there's so much bones in this fish and you got to be extra careful. So probably it's not a good idea to have a mukbang eating fish because you have to talk and you have to eat the fish and you have to be ever so careful. But for you guys, no problem. Let's do it. So I'm gonna break this, or should I try to go and leave one bone? Maybe. All right, let's try not to break the bone. What's your favorite type of fish? Hit me up in the comments below and let me know what's your favorite type of fish. This right here is definitely a different type of food combination. It's unusual. But it's your boy Rico, and that's how we roll, baby. Oh yeah. Do you like your fish fried? Do you like it roasted? Do you like it on the grill? Or do you like it like steam or cooked up? Hit me up in the comments. Oh, let me know. Oh yeah. Fish is definitely my favorite. It's pretty much the only seafood I have is fish. It's pretty much all I have because I don't eat shellfish. Man, I will absolutely have fish anyway. Take another piece. Fried, roast, jerk, steam, cook, grill. Anyway, give it to me once it's fish. Gotta be ever so careful here. There's some bones in this piece. But, gotta do what we gotta do. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
I know we're acting stupid, yeah, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, yeah, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it, yeah. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it, yeah. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, yeah. Maybe just a little bit foolish.
Do you usually eat the head of your fish? Because I'm gonna be honest, it might not be proper table etiquette, but I love fish head. Everything inside the head, the eyes, the brain. Wow, it's delicious. Let's proceed. So this is what's left back, guys. Yeah. So let me know. Hit me up in the comments. I'm gonna crack the head. Let me know. Do you usually eat the head of your fish? Wow, super duper good. Super duper yummy. Yeah, we usually go in, we get everything inside. Like I said, it's probably not proper table etiquette, but who cares? Who made these rules? They're good when you're dressed up, because I wouldn't want to be in a suit and tie and I wouldn't want to be in a suit and tie and be getting down inside this fish head. Maybe it's just not appropriate for that attire, but who made these rules? Like, who's supposed to tell you how to eat? You know? I absolutely think you enjoy your food more when you use your hands. That's my rule. And also, the head of the fish is amazing. It's to die for. We just got in, get out, get down and dirty, get to the point. All right. Tropic splash orange juice. Take a sip. You need a straw. Here's a straw. Oh yeah, you gotta get that summer vibes. Take a sip, take a sip. There you go. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Refreshing. I think yellow is my favorite color. So orange, give me that summer vibes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Hmm?